Alright guys, this is going to be a quick fix. I'll probably fast forward through it, but it's also a mail call. We got in some parts for our 1/5 scale 8S Outcast. I'm not sure you saw our last one, but as soon as we got it together, we got a new ramp out and did a little bash session. So now on this, I'll put a link in the description. This guy's got these sets for $29. These are the lower front arms. They are Chinese, but the price is right. $29, so it's $22 for the stock. Now, this broke, but it didn't break. Like I can reuse that if I really wanted to. So we'll see how these do. We'll give them a test. We'll do a quick montage of me taking it apart, that whole deal. And then tomorrow, I got the kids coming over, so we're gonna get these and our HPXs out. We're gonna get that ramp going good, and hopefully be some good running. And that'll probably be at the end of this video, or maybe I'll split it up. So we got that. Nice green arm, which is kind of cool. And then this one is that would actually snap were our rods. Not sure if the other one's in there, but I figured might as well get replacements for the whole thing. I got these for like $14, $15. Put a link in the description for that too. These are all eBay specials, and I don't know if these guys sell this stuff regular like or nothing like that. I was just looking for the cheapest solution I can get. You know how it is. Especially with the stock stuff. I honestly, if these weren't $29, I'd just be getting stock, that or RPMs. But I kind of want to start it with stock, so we'll see how these go. And if they don't work out, then I'll get a set of stock ones and we'll get back on it. So there's no brand loyalty or nothing like that. And in the future, maybe I'll be testing more of them out. So yeah, like this guy, he had a few sets, but it's all brand new, which is cool because these parts were a little mangled. So we'll get are they all in there? Yeah, they're all in there. So I'll just do a montage. We'll get them switched out, and yeah, be right back. Alright, looks like we're ready to roll. So in the morning we'll get this girl out for a run. I'll take a look at the footage. If it looks like it's pretty long, over 8 to 10 minutes, then I probably will just put it up as is, just a quick fix. With a link to the guys I got my parts from, so I appreciate it. They gave me some deals. How that goes. So check them out. I think he's got 2 sets left of these greens. I don't mind the green. The color don't matter too much. It looks kind of cool, actually. It's not bad at all. Yeah. And then these are my spares. Got these for the back. So if I ever take the back apart, I'll replace and get some fresh new ones. But with any luck, we'll get our CNHL. Make sure you check these guys out. They take care of me. So you take care of them, or I appreciate that. So link will be in the description. I don't really get anything out of it other than the batteries, so but it is good to show if you use my link, then they can track that, so take care of me later. So anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you when I see you. And sorry I haven't been putting a lot of stuff out lately, just the way it goes. You know how that is. Summertime fun. Changing over for the winter, so tomorrow you'll see the front of the barns change quite a bit. I'll see you soon. Bye.